Welcome to Random Quizzes. Do you know everything about the most famous animals on the planet? This quiz will test your knowledge about animals. There will be 25 questions, 2 alternatives, and 10 seconds to answer. Like this video for more fun content here on this channel. Let's get started. Which one is the largest land carnivore, tiger or polar bear? Polar bear. Which one can hibernate for 3 years, snail or bear? Snail. Which one has square-shaped poop, wombat or rabbit? Wombat. Which one is a reptile, snake, or frog? Leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Snake. Which one can fly backwards, eagle or hummingbird? Hummingbird. Which one has 3 hearts, octopus or dolphin? Octopus. Which one makes honey, bee or wasp? Bee. Which one is the fastest, cheetah or lion? Do you already know the answer? Then leave a like. Cheetah. Which one is the slowest in the world, koala or snail? Snail. Which one can swim, ostrich or penguin? Penguin. Which one is associated with delivering babies, flamingo or stork? Stork. Which bird is famous for its colorful tail, peacock or parrot? Leave a like for more videos. Peacock. Which one has lungs, shark or dolphin? Dolphin. Which one sleeps 20 hours a day, panda or koala? Koala. Which one is the tallest, elephant or giraffe? Giraffe. Which one doesn't have a brain, starfish or shrimp? Subscribe to the channel for more fun videos. Starfish. Which one can sleep standing up, horse or bear? Horse. Which one has 10 legs, crab or spider? Crab. Which one is a symbol of peace, tiger or dove? Dove. Which one is the smallest, sparrow or hummingbird? Are you getting them all right? Leave a like so I know. Hummingbird. Which one hibernates, deer or hedgehog? Hedgehog. Which one has the highest IQ, parrot or pig? Parrot. Which animal can live 200 years, turtle or elephant? Turtle. Which one has a queen, ladybug or ant? Ant. Which is the largest fish in the world, great white shark or whale shark? Subscribe for more videos. Whale shark. Continue on our channel through one of these two videos. Leave your like and share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video.